Let's move on and talk about the Capital Finance, Capital Small Finance Bank. Small Finance Bank is in focus, and Capital, of course, did the recent IPO as well. We have Sarvjit Singh Samra, MD and CEO, who's joining us now. Sarvjit, good afternoon. Thank you so much for your time. This is your first result after the numbers, after your
Good
listing,
afternoon.
actually. So this is the first time. Good to have you on the channel. Uh, I remember when you were there on our channel at the time of IPO, you were unable to talk a lot of forward looking. Now you are a listed company and the first numbers have come. What you have given a loan book target of 22 to 24% and a ROA of 1.4% for the full year. Where exactly will we start seeing bulk of the improvement? In the first 2 quarters, it will be more back ended in nature.
Actually, uh, uh, say if I talk about the last quarter in the mid quarter, we got our growth capital when we listed on 14th February 24. So if we see the numbers start improving thereafter, because we were highly leveraged, only the capital was stopping us. Otherwise, everything was well in place. So if you would appreciate that in say 1.5 months, we have grown our loan book by 8%. So now the levers for growth are available, capital is there. So I think the growth will be a continuous phenomena. Yeah.
Okay, point taken. The NIMS for the full year was around 3.9%. Where do you expect it to go from here on? Do you expect that 4% mark to be the Lakshman Rekha of sorts for NIMS, and the numbers will be just above that, or you can help us with perhaps a range for the NIMS?
Actually, there was some contraction on the NIM because of the upper interest rate regime on deposits, which we have to increase, like take a call immediately. But otherwise, most of our assets, like 62% are on floating rate, where like 57% are on MCLR. So like we have increased our MCLR, but the effect will start. We'll getting this favorable effect on the yield of MCLR increase from quarter on quarter. So we definitely see improvement in the NIM in the time to come. Yeah.
Right.
But a bit more clarity, which way the NIMS are headed at least? I didn't get that clearly, sir.
You mean like NIM
3.9% mark, will it move towards 4.5? Will it come down to 3.5? What's the direction of NIMS is what I'm trying to understand.
No, actually, we like presently we have closed at 3.9. Definitely, we'll be 4% plus, moving towards 4% plus. Yeah.
If that is the area you want like to move towards, let's talk
Yeah.
about your overall the core areas and regions you're operating in, which is Punjab and Haryana. This was one section of the market also saw this as a bit of a concern while your IPO is actually coming. Going forward, how are you diversifying? How's the concentration reduction plan from here on?
Like we presently we are 177 branches which are spread across 5 states of North India, like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Himachal, and Union Territory of Chandigarh. When we talk of Punjab, also Punjab, originally we were confined to very limited area of Punjab. When we were local area bank, when we converted in the year 2016, we were only area of operation was only 5 districts. So when we converted from a local area bank to small finance bank in 2016, so there were a lot of area left in the Punjab which was to be covered. But along with that, we started expansion to Haryana also, to Delhi also. So now going ahead, we have planned that more than 50% of our branches are going to be out of Punjab. Of course, we'll be deep penetrating in the existing geographies also, but we'll be opening majority of our branch expansion is going to come, which is going to be out of Punjab, and we will maintain a contiguity because we are into a branch-led business model,
Okay.
which we have earlier also done. we'll keep on expanding to other states in a contiguous manner. Yeah,
Understood.
that is-
Okay, so looking at diversifying as well, but just quickly to wrap the conversation, Mr. Samra, there were some region-specific issues with respect to the murmurs around loan waivers. There's this election also which is underway. Given all of this, has there been a bit of a change in your asset quality or your recovery rate or your slippages?
First of all, I'll just want to briefly give you about the color of our book. We are almost 100% into secured lending, and our target segment is middle income group. The segment with the average annual income of 4 lakhs to 50 lakhs. We have never been, and we are not into, say, below poverty line lending, and we are a banker to super HNIs. So the segment into which we are, and we have been, because we were a bank earlier, we converted from a bank to bank. So we have been specializing into this for last now more than 24 years plus. So with regard to even if we are into agri, we are not into small and marginal farmers, where like sometimes this loan waivers and all those things come, and we have seen various cycles throughout these years as a banking company. So we don't feel any challenge with regard to this. Say with regard to loan waivers or with regard to other things, as you have mentioned, with regard to the segment where we are operating. Going forward also, we are going to stick to this segment, which is middle income group, and which is, I think, ever evolving now in India. Yeah.
Mr. Samra, on that note, we let you go. Thanks so much for making time. But
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.